Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you the very delicious, refreshing StarBucks drink. It's pineapple passion fruit refresher that I know you are going to love. Made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and refreshing drink from StarBucks, pineapple passion fruit refresher, these are the ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, pineapple concentrate, color and flavor, pineapple, passion fruit pulp, lemons, sugar, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and refreshing pineapple passion fruit refresher at home, made with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup, and of course I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I am going to take it to the stove and I am going to start getting it nice and hot until the sugar has dissolved completely. The water is going to change a little bit of the color, but that's normal. Once the granulated sugar has dissolved completely, then put it aside, take it off the stove, put it aside, and let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And now I want to continue by getting the juice out of these amazing and delicious lemons. These are organic lemons from my garden. And look at this, they are very juicy. And with this little gadget, I do not leave anything behind. I get all the juice out of these lemons. My mouth is already watering. Look at this. This lemonade comes out delicious and amazing. And of course, it's made at home. And now I am ready to start making this amazing refresher. I'm gonna start with the juice of the lemon. I already removed the pulp and the seeds. I'm going to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up all those amazing flavors. I am going to add a splash of the simple syrup. I'm not using the whole cup of the simple syrup. I have the passion fruit pulp, and of course I don't want to leave anything behind in this little dish. I'm adding a little bit of water. Look at this, the color looks amazing. Of course, I'm going to add the concentrate, flavor, and color of pineapple. When you add this to your refresher, let me tell you, the aroma of the pineapple is so concentrated and the color is amazing. Look at this. I am sure that once you make this amazing refresher, you are going to continue making it at home and enjoying it with your beautiful family. Remember, this recipe is a copycat of StarBucks. I'm going to incorporate everything really good, and at this moment I am going to taste it to see if I need to add a little more of the simple syrup. Remember, you decide how sweet you want your lemonade. I'm adding just regular water. I can't wait to enjoy it, to tell you the truth. The aroma of the pineapple, it's so concentrated, and the passion fruit is just amazing. I'm gonna put it aside. I have a cup of pineapple, which I'm going to cut in small little pieces, in little squares, to garnish my refresher. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing and delicious refresher at home, you are going to continue refreshing yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Look at this color. The aroma is really penetrating my kitchen. The pineapple and the passion fruit, just the perfect combination. And of course, I want to present this amazing refresher in a Starbucks cup. Look at this. I'm going to add enough ice. I'm going to add a little bit of the pineapple pieces and more ice. It's so hot here in California that I'm really going to enjoy this amazing lemonade. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria is going to keep growing. I hope you give it a chance and you make this amazing copycat Starbucks pineapple passion fruit refresher. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this copycat of pineapple passion fruit refresher from Starbucks. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. The flavor of the pineapple and the passion fruit, just perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. You could enjoy this amazing copycat of Starbucks. Pineapple, passion fruit, lemonade, or refresher. You decide. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.